Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to set Grindr profile to private. So to make your Grindr profile private and hide it from the main grid, you have to use the Incognito mode feature, which requires subscription. So first thing first, guys, you need a subscription to set your profile private. You have to use the Incognito mode feature. So how to use this feature, I'll just tell you. So what you're going to have to do is open your Grindr app and then go to your profile, which is at the top left corner of the screen. Now you can see an online mode and incognito mode. Just tap on it and it will ask to continue. Once you tap on continue, it will ask for the payment for your card details. Now, if you're willing to subscribe this application, if you're willing to subscribe for incognito mode, then only you'll be able to set your profile, your Grindr profile to private. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.